This is Laura. Today is about DIP plugging process. It is after SMT placement process and is a part of PCBA process. DIP plugging refers to the large size components that cannot be mounted by machine but need to be manually plugged in, and then soldered by wave soldering afterwards, and the final product is formed. DIP plugging process can be roughly divided into plugging, wave soldering, foot cutting, washing board, inspection, testing, and so on. Plugging is to insert the SMT process components into the corresponding position of the PCB board in preparation for the wave soldering process. Wave soldering is the plugging PCB board into the conveyor belt. After spring flux executive heat will repel welding, cooling, and other needs to complete the welding of the PCB board. Cutting feed is to cut the feed of the PCB board, completed welding to achieve the right size. The washing process is to clean off the contaminants and the residues from the welding process. Testing is required on the finished PCB board after the soldering is completed. If the function is checked for defects, to repel and retest the processing. If the test is not a problem, packaging into storage.